Hi, Paul. How you doing? Got your sketches up. Thanks so much for kicking things off. That's not always the easiest thing to do, so great job. And I love what I'm seeing. I really do. These are fresh. I love the fact that you have the denomination over here big enough to big enough to see from across the room. That's so smart in currency design because if you look at our bills, I mean, they have to be within arm's length, really to decipher what they are. I know I've often mistaken a 10 for a 20 from a distance, maybe something that's sitting on the desk across the room. So this is really smart. I say fresh because these ideas they're good. They're traditional, but they're presented in a way that I think they're really super contemporary. And so therefore your assignment doesn't point to tradition. And I think that's one of the most important things here is to show that we can design without depending on the visual posture of the research that we've done, and that's really super apparent in these currency design projects. Okay, one thing I want to mention is I'm not real sure about the folds. I'm just not sure. I understand what you're saying. You're saying that if these are folded, now it just you know what it's maybe you can just kind of write up your synopsis on the reasoning behind the folds, because even the more I think about it, it just doesn't make sense. You're saying that if they're folded, you would know the denomination by the size without having to have other sizes to compare. And that doesn't really make sense because when it's folded, it's folded. You're still not going to know the denomination if it's folded unless the fold is really, really someplace that's really demarcating a big difference. So I'm just not seeing the fold. I'm really not. And a lot of times, when design currency, one of the concepts in design currency really is how that currency is going to be transported from one place to another. And that's quite typically in a wallet. And so currencies are designed to fit in the wallet and fold accordingly with the fold of the wallet. Do you see what I'm saying? So I'm not real sure. Again, if you can just give me a synopsis on why you think that it's beneficial to add the fold. Right now, you're saying I build a natural fold into the bill so they fold asymmetrically so you can tell the different lengths apart without having more than one note in your hand. But I don't, boy, that's a tough one. That's a tough one. But let me know what your thoughts are on that. The stripy border you talk about is a nod to the weaving tradition. That is smart. That's a wonderfully smart solution that I think, again, tips the hat to tradition without necessarily just exploiting that tradition. So great job. I love where this is going. Can't wait to see this cut to come to fruition. If you have any questions, let me know. Give me a holler, Paul. But you are well on your way. Good job, man. Thank you.